Hello there, James with Efizbo again for your Naples, Florida market update for the week of September the 23rd. I tell you what, with the Fed rate coming down, mortgage rates coming down, huge changes this week, so you're not going to want to miss this. To start, let's dive into the overall inventory numbers for Naples. Last week we were at 1809. This week we're at 1820, which is a 0.6% increase. Number of pending, which is what people care about. Are properties moving off the MLS? Are they getting under contract? Last week we saw 404 properties went from listing to pending. This week, 416. That's a 3% increase. What changed? Fed rate came down. Mortgage rate, 30-year fixed, down to about 6.09%. If we look at our median price, really flat, no change from $995 last week to about $999, which is a 0.4% increase. If we look at median days on the market, 119 last week, 119 this week, no change. And percentage of listings that had to decrease their price was 40% last week and 40% this week. The big news this week is that there was a 3% increase in properties going from listing to pending. And that has to be related to the Fed rate drop, which lowered the 30-year fixed mortgage rate. And again, when the rate goes down by a single percentage point, the mortgage rate goes down by a single percentage point, you could expect a 10 to 15% increase of buyers into a market. If you're thinking about selling your home in Naples, Florida, you are invited to our Efizbo live workshop where we are going to teach you the entire platform we built that will guide you from listing to close so you can sell your property 100% online and save 5% real estate commissions. Sign up below.